Lesson 2. Sequence of instructions. Hello kids! In Lesson 1, we have learned how to give instructions to Joey. In this lesson, we will see how to give the instructions in a sequence, that is, in order. Let's make Joey walk. If Joey has to walk, he should take one step at a time. Let me tell you how to do this. Instructions to make Joey walk. Step 1. Drag the block called Start from the Event category to the Script area. This tells Joey that the exercise will start. Step 2. Select Walk block from Motion category and place it below Start. Step 3. Then add the Stop block from the Events category below Walk block. Putting in the Stop block will show the end of the exercise. Would you like to know what happens now? Step 4. Click on Execute. Clicking on Execute button will execute or carry out the instructions you gave. Try it out. Now it's your turn. Can you make Joey walk till the end using multiple walk blocks?